Alright, I'm back. What's up? This your boy from ATL Drone Squad, your boy Suave Smooth. Remember, you're gonna love me. Alright, so what I'm doing is, this video is actually after the video that's probably gonna post after this one, because the first video, my little, I call it the bash review, I did it on my phone, and then I tried to come and do this review that I'm doing now, but my phone ran out of storage because I have a sorry phone, so I'm recording this one straight through YouTube. So of course it's going to post before the other one, but actually the bash review is supposed to be before this one. However, this is what I'm doing. I got these Turnigy 800 milliamp batteries, and they have the regular 2S connectors on the end of them, which sucks because I have the charger, but they all have the TX60 connectors on it, and this is my situation right now. So basically what I'm doing is I'm putting the positive, you can kind of see what's going on, inserting those into the ends of this tip, and then carefully plugging in the balance lead and then plugging it up and charging it. Dangerous, however, it does work. But I would like to keep my face in my house. I don't want to come home to a burnt down house. So this is what I'm doing. So y'all just kind of go along here. You probably know how to do this already. I'm not showing you anything new, but I figured I'd just take the time and at least, kind of sort of share a little some with you. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, you're going to love me. I suck now, but you're going to love me. So basically what I'm going to do, man, I'm just going to get a little solder on my solder iron here. And I'm just basically going to heat this guy up inside of here. Get it a little nice and warm. And let's see if I can get me some solder to stick down in there. And then we're going to flip this guy over. Now, like I said, I'm a newbie. So, I don't know if I'm doing this right or not. I just know, hey, it works for me. My thing is, who cares about the technical stuff? If it works, man. I mean, it's that easy. If it works, it works, Can't be technical your whole life. Alright, so, now, if you don't know about XT60 connectors, they both have a, let's see if I can get that to focus. Move this out of the way. I don't know if I can get that to focus, but if you look right here, doesn't want to focus. But anyway, there's a little plus sign right here to let you know which side of this you want to be hooking up your connector, or you might get something to go boom when you connect it if you don't connect it to the right thing. But I'm pretty sure you all know that already. So here we go. We're gonna get the next one going, keep this party started. Alright. I know Josh Barwell is having a fit right now. Like, what is he doing? He ain't got that right. What is he doing? That's not gonna stay. And you better believe, man, I love y'all guys. Josh Barwell, shout out to UAV Features. My boy Mr. Still. My boy Schizo, he's right here in Marietta where I'm from. So haven't met him yet. Probably never will, but if I do, it'll be a cool thing. Alright, so now here comes the careful part. What you want to do is you're going to clip these ends. Now me, just to be safe, I'm only going to clip one at a time, and I like to leave myself room to repair. Just in case for some reason something doesn't work out, I can put this connector back on. Or I can add this connector to maybe something else, my tiny whoop or something like that. So we're going to cut these one at a time. We're going to leave some length on them. That way if we want to repair it back or we want to add it to something else, we can. Okay, so just for safety, we're going to do them one at a time. And you don't need a lot of wire stripped off here. You just want to strip the tip off. I like to twist mine once I strip them. You know, nice little strip it off about that much. And I'll go over here. My trusty, you know, if you're going to be doing this stuff, this helping hand thing is freaking amazing. This, I think it's a must to do that. All right, so we're going to heat this up. Get some solder on it. Bam. That way we ain't got to do a whole bunch of bull crap when we're hooking this thing up. So we're going to check, make sure we're on the right side so we don't blow up nothing. And this should be easy as pie. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually try to kind of like slide this guy up in there. Uh-oh. I got it all out of the camera. I'm going to try to just slide this guy up in there as much as I can. Inside that hole. Just like that. And coat him up real good. That way, shouldn't come out. Do a little pull test. That's good. Check him out. Oh my goodness. Well, like I said, I'm not professional, so you know what y'all know what I did, right? Yeah, you know what I did. You know what I did. So let's let's try this one more time. Like I said, man, I'm not a professional at all. I am a total noob. But guess what? You're gonna love me. Come out of there. There we go. So we're gonna pull that guy out. We're gonna get some heat shrink on this guy. How about that? How about we put some heat shrink on here like we know what we're doing, right? God, what kind of guy are you doing tutorials showing people how to do stuff and freaking not even putting heat shrink on your stuff? Man, who's gonna listen to that guy? You are. You're gonna love me, trust me. Alright, so let's do this again. I know you can't really see what's going on, but I'm pretty sure you can kind of imagine the gist of it. It's not really, it's pretty self-explanatory about what you gotta do. There you go. And I'm trying to push it right up to the rubber so that way there's less wire hanging out as possible. And then that's what you end up with right there. Just like that. And then nothing is focusing. So it's all good. So we're gonna go to our second one and we're gonna clip it. You know, y'all just hang in there with me, man. I promise you my video is gonna get better. I don't have a lot of money, man. So I'm just starting this with what I can, man, you know. But as time goes on and of course I get more money, I'm not getting paid for any of this. None of these products that I have. I'm not sponsored by any of them. I'm not getting paid by any of them. I'm actually paying their bills right now, to be honest with you. But I'm definitely not getting paid by any of these people. Okay? So, what I'm doing is solely because I want to do it. Alright? Now, I'm not gonna lie, if they just happen to want to help a brother out, I'm not gonna say no. You know, considering you like my caliber of, I guess, review, if you want to call it that. Not really a review guy. I'm sitting here taking 15 minutes to show you how to solder in a freaking wire. But guess what? That's why you're gonna love me. Because I'm that guy. I'm that YouTube guy. It's not like this thing just don't want to do right. Just don't want to do what I wanted to do. And don't get me wrong, I'm not like that YouTube guy that's like, oh, screw the world. No, That's not me. That's definitely not me. I'm just me, you know. All I can be is me, and me is crap. My freaking heat shrunk down a little bit. See if I can make it on there. Might make it. I might make it. Can I make it? Oh, look at this. Look at this. I'm struggling here. Trying to get it up over that hump. Will it go? Please go. Please go. Nah. I've never done that. Yeah, I've done this plenty of times. Boy. Nah, I'm not a newbie. Not at all. Done this so many times. Can't you tell? Oh wow, great. Great. Cool. Well, none of it wants to go on. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to bore you, but I'm having a bit of a deal here. I'm trying to actually get this to go up on here, and it's not wanting to do it at all. It's like, hey newbie, you just screwed up. Come on, just give me a little bit. Just give me a look at this. Look at this mess. Look at this. Totally, I'm out here for you know what? Screw it, dude. We're gonna heat that thing up, and we're gonna let it do what it do. You know, it's either gonna stay or it ain't. Right? So that's that. All right, let's slide the next one on. Let's see if we can actually get this one all the way on. Bam! Hey. Look at that. Hey, 1 out of 10 ain't bad. I guess depending on which way you're looking at it. So there we go. Boom. Got the connector switched over. Alright, and I'll be back later on with some bull jive for you later on. Alright? Peace. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, just watch the video. Cool. This your boy from ATL Drone Squad. Suave smooth. Remember, you're gonna love me. Peace.